G'day guys, Ninja here. Got my old mate Farnzy. Yeah. Back again. So we're going to do a bit of a different kind of treatment today. We're going to look at Farnzy's knee, his restriction.
Yep.
And I'm going to treat him probably while he's sitting there and while he's going cross-legged and things like that too. So a test that is really relevant to you, where you feel it, where you feel a restriction. And so tell us first up, where do you feel things? And
so I noticed today when we were at the park and we were sitting around talking and we we're crossing our legs, my right leg, in crossing it, I couldn't really flex it much. I felt pain along here, and also just felt tightness and pinching around my hip area. But it feels just very tight, just restricted. It's just, I don't feel comfortable enough to be able to flex it enough to relax myself. It just feels tight along there.
Right there. Okay, cool. And can you show me the spot up in here?
Yeah, right when I did, right in there, right in there.
You show me.
Yeah, just careful of the sunburn.
Oh, you're sunburned. Is that the spot?
Oh yeah, that's it.
So I'm just gonna sink into that. So I'm right in that hip. It's not, I'm behind the hip flexor, aren't I, the TFL, I'm more in the glute.
Yeah.
If I can push.
Oh, that's it.
Right in there.
Oh my
that's
goodness me.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna pin that for a start. Just wait on it. You can't rush the melting of the fascia. Slowing down of the nervous system, the filing down of the scarring and things of that nature are restricting things, stopping them from squishing and stretching. How's it feel now?
Better than initially, but still,
It's going to go.
That is it.
That's it.
Oh, yes.
Come on it. That's it, bro.
And I am not joking, that's painful.
Yeah. All right, I'm on the spot. Do you want to try and cross your leg again? Yeah, I can feel it kind of engaging. So I'm on the right spot, yeah? Yeah. If I go down a little bit, up a little bit. Maybe there. That's a good one. Yeah, I can feel it kind of working as you're moving. All right. So come out slowly. So now do the little test again. How's it feel in there?
It feels a little bit better.
Yeah, and is it into the...
Yeah, just in there, right in there.
So we've got another spot. This is more a TFL. So this is TFL. So just sort of see how I'm just getting Farnzy to use his intel. So the intel is, where is the pain when he goes to move? What's restricted? You can kind of feel it. And all I'm doing is I'm exploring exactly where he told me to kind of push. And now when you move that again, I can feel I'm going to go down just to hit it.
Yep.
Stay engaged. Like that.
Yep.
Could have strong thumbs to do this.
You do.
Probably get elbows, trying into these spots if the thumbs are given in, but I can handle it. So pushing in like that. Yeah, I can feel that starting to release off.
Yeah, it does. It feels a bit better.
Feels better.
It does.
So you just need to, sometimes you need to take 1 to 5% kind of deep,
better.
Changes things. How's that feel? You can cross now.
Yeah, I'm not getting pinched in that area now.
Yep.
Which is good.
So where are you feeling things now?
So I'm feeling it along here, but a lot, especially when I'm doing that, it's all along here. Feeling it there.
So where do you feel? You want me to come work down along there or up? What's your intuition? Down?
I feel down. I want to get down. Yeah, I do.
All right. So I'm just going to get a real little bit of wax, and I'm just going to engage here. So get Farnzy to kind of just hold steady.
I reckon this is payback.
Watch the video that Farnzy did on me. There's a bit of grunting. Bit of manhandled, I said.
This is...
For the greater good.
It is for the greater good, definitely.
Good, mate. This is going to fix you. We're on the way already. There's been a couple
I can feel it. Yeah, that's it.
Wins.
That's it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you can kind of tell. It's a language. I've said this in my videos before. Like there's a knowing when somebody's engaging with your body in a way that's going to create flow.
Exactly.
You know the spots. They mean something to you because you've been living in the body. So you know what the restriction was, what the pain was, what the message your body was giving you. So yeah, and pain is simply that. It's a message. It's telling you that something's not right.
Right.
Isn't it? That's all it is. We can kind of have a different kind of mindset about pain.
That's you getting to it. I'm feeling pain referral to that, yeah.
Yeah. So what I might do is do a bit of a... Not let you get away from me, so I'm just doing a bit of... I don't know what this is called, but... holding there and working through that.
Oh, I'm feeling a little there now. Oh, the referral pain is... Oh.
So, we're nearly through? Is it still going?
Yeah, I think, that's better. I think you've passed it, yeah.
Right. So just let that stroke go a bit faster now. It's not, there was a real kind of bundled up fascial, sheet in that IT band, lateral quad. So I'm just going to take that stroke down through.
Thank you.
Like that. Go a bit further. Just try and loosen off that fascial sheet through the knee. There's so much thick fascia on the knee. You can actually treat it. It's not known that you can, do deep body work on these, but you sure can. Just got to treat them in the right way. So that's giving that band there a good stretch. Wow. Good bit of hydration. Oh. I'm learning new things about fascia, even though I've been studying it for over 25 years. But fascia, there's another phase of water. They've found it's not just liquid, we know, and ice, it's solid, and the vapor. There's also a fourth phase, which is like a gel phase. And that's what our fascia is generally made of. It's a gel. And there's so many different things about the fascia. It's a communication system within the body, so it just communicates with all the different cells in our body. It's like electrical communication. We store emotion in that, so our stress is stored in our fascia. It's also a hydration system, so it kind of hydrates, and it's like got water going through it everywhere, so it's a gel, so it's another phase. And what's the other thing? It just gives us structure, So it's we're made pretty much of fascia, so it's bloody incredible stuff. So
it is. It's definitely.
Try and cross your leg again.
So much better. No pinching there whatsoever now.
Yeah, cool.
No pinching. That's better.
How's the knee feel?
Feeling just a little bit there. This one I'm feeling it up there.
So I can probably just there.
Oh.
That's all. So I've really got to go light.
Yeah.
That's
okay.
the spot.
No, I can handle it. That's fine. So I'll tell you if it's too much.
Am I in the right area still?
You are. If
I push it up.
There. That's it.
That's it. So I'm just going to hold that.
Bit down. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. That's it. Oh. One thing I realised when you were actually gliding slowly across my thigh was I was focused so much on the pain that it made it worse. But so then I actually started focusing on my breathing. And just focus on that, not the pain. So regardless of how painful it was, just focus on that, and I was able to cope with it, which was great.
So much different.
So what I did? Oh, that's that. Oh,
so I'm just dragging it down a little.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
So getting into the perineals a little bit.
Yeah.
So good.
It's good fun. It's a party.
Yeah. Breathing.
Yeah.
So it's going through that spot.
Yeah.
So I started up in there. You can sort of see where that indentation is. That's probably where the main bit is. So I'll get you a test again. We might do a It was different?
Yeah, it does. Oh, what a difference.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
That made a difference. It really does.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's probably a wrap. So so bit of a different kind of treatment. So really tuning into Farnzy's, knowing of his own body, that intel that is readily available because he lives in it, he knows where the restrictions are. So we just followed that trail, investigated just exactly where he said, and made a big difference. So in just pinning and holding onto things and waiting for that fascia to melt is the thing.
Definitely. And I think just like you said, slowing down the process and enabling the body to receive it and to relax, and that's when you're being really effective and you're being, making changes.
Yeah,
Which is good.
Yeah, it's cool. So, jump on board.
Definitely.
Get it done. If you want to learn this sort of stuff, look in the links. Aaron and myself, I should say, run twice a year, mentorship, showing all the different treatment, but also teaching you how to be a better person, a stronger person, how to do your social media, all that kind of stuff. And be a good practitioner. Get this stuff around the world.
Definitely.
Hands-on is a dying art, so let's keep it alive.
Good on you.
Done.